All right, guys, welcome to it. This is the melting pot right here on Copper Joe. Today, as I told you at the top, we are celebrating our sister isle. Our sister isle, Tobago, is a different beast when it comes to food. And blue food is what Tobago is best known for, and it's what it's all about. So I'm exploring blue food today. I have dasheen. This is simple boiled dasheen, and I am just pan frying in some oil. Now dasheen is like serious to Tobago. They do all sorts of things with dasheen. I had dasheen wine in Tobago. Everything you could think of they will do with dasheen. I am doing breakfast potatoes. So, you know, breakfast, I love breakfast potatoes. Nice, crisp up nicely. And I just really replaced the potatoes with dasheen because we're celebrating Tobago. I have dasheen. I am adding some onions. Just allow the dasheen to crisp up those nice little brown bits you see in there. Peppers. I love breakfast potatoes. I think it kind of goes so perfectly with everything. So I like to season in layers, guys. And I just want to season a little salt, a little pepper. I have a little all-purpose seasoning here that I want to use as well. And you're starting to smell all those wonderful flavors kind of coming together. So breakfast potatoes is something I love. And as I said, it can go with anything. But today, I am doing it courtesy the folks at Betty Crocker. Pancakes! Breakfast, this is a big breakfast. If you ever been to Tobago, big Tobago breakfast. But today, I am doing a big Tobago breakfast. Dasheen breakfast potatoes with coconut saltfish pancakes. If that didn't get your mouth watering, I don't know what will. That's a real Tobago breakfast. So a little play on provisions and saltfish. It's a classic dish. We normally toss up provisions with saltfish, but I'm doing a pancake courtesy the folks at our friends at Betty Crocker. They have a pancake mix that makes making pancakes the easiest thing that you will ever do. Guys, I want to start seasoning up these breakfast potatoes. So I have a little green seasoning, some good Trini green seasoning that I want to get in there. I have some garlic that I need to get in there as well. I like to add pepper directly, so I'm adding just a touch of pepper sauce just to give it a little heat. Oh, smelling good. Merlot will get vexed with me, but I'm just adding a little butter. That butter will just kind of just give it a nice little velvety coating, allowing that to do its thing. Now I'm moving on to my pancakes. So I just want to get my pan on my pancakes getting nice and hot there. And I'm going to show you this. You will never make pancakes plain again. No plain pancakes. I have the Betty Crocker pancake mix. And this Betty Crocker pancake mix, I tell you, if you're intimidated by making pancakes, work with me here. I want at least about 2.5 cups of this mix. Just about 2.5 cups of this mix. Now all you need to do is add liquid to this mix. As I told you, I'm doing coconut pancakes with saltfish. So I have some coconut milk. You can add plain water if you don't want to do the coconut milk, but we're celebrating Tobago flavors. So we're adding some coconut milk to that. Guys, and simple as it is, literally I am forming the batter that will make these wonderful pancakes. You just mix to make sure you get all the lumps out. You don't want it too runny, but you want a nice thick batter. So that's what I'm looking for. Nice thick, but just a little runny off the fork. That's what I'm looking for. Perfect. So these are coconut pancakes that I would make here. But I'm not just making coconut pancakes. I have some buljol. That buljol goes straight in there, guys. So think about it. Every bite of pancake will be flavored with this sweet saltfish. Mix it. Make sure you mix it in properly. And I'm ready to roll out some pancakes. Let's go. Let's get some oil in this pan. Pancakes normally take a couple seconds to minutes. This, guys, literally 30 seconds will be too much. I'll show you what I'm talking about. If you've done pancakes before, you know you're looking for those little bubbles. Once you start seeing those bubbles, guys, so just about 30 seconds maximum on either side. And these pancakes are ready to go. Thanks to the Betty Crocker pancake mix. You just can't go wrong. It's so simple that it's so easy as well to infuse ingredients and flavors. Don't just do plain pancakes. Betty Crocker will not be happy. She wants saltfish coconut pancakes. These pancakes, you will eat and eat and eat and don't want to stop. Coconut saltfish pancakes. Thanks to the folks at Betty Crocker for making it possible. Let's not forget, my Tobago breakfast will not be complete. So normally you would have breakfast potatoes. When in Tobago, you do breakfast provisions. Dasheen, lovely onions and peppers. And once avocado is in season, don't make joke, avocado. Guys, this is a perfect breakfast family style. I just want to get me a pancake. Just a little provisions. They're so lovely, so crispy, so nice, but soft inside. Perfect breakfast, guys. These pancakes, I want you to go home and try them. The flavor of saltfish is amazing. Normally we do provision and saltfish. Same thing here on the plate, deconstructed and done so beautifully, so tasty. Try these recipes, guys. We're celebrating our sister isle Tobago inside the melting pot. When we come back, more blue food. Our melting pot is brought to you by Betty Crocker, celebrating 100 years of creating moments.